Warning: the following clip contains content some may find disturbing. It is highly recommended that you do not show this to children. You have been warned.
I took my hands off the wheel, and then I crashed into a tree.
Well, for some reason that was muted, but it saved automatically, and the F-bomb did come out rather loudly. Damn it. Yep, and you almost hit it, and here comes the next dude over the hill. They're gonna almost hit it. Don't hit me. Fuckface. Alright, we're good. No damage. God damn motherfucker. Raccoons. Not how I want to start my day off.
A few moments later.
303, 303.